This presentation explains U.S. tax filing rules for citizens living abroad. We will outline your ongoing obligations to the IRS, how to report worldwide income, and which special provisions can reduce double taxation. The goal is to give you clear, practical guidance so you can remain compliant while residing overseas. Our agenda has 3 parts. First, we will review tax obligations and how to report income earned worldwide. Second, we will cover reporting requirements and filing procedures, including deadlines and methods. Third, we will address identification and security measures that protect both your identity and your tax records. In this section, we focus on tax obligations and income reporting for U.S. citizens abroad. You will learn what types of income must be reported, how global income rules work, and why filing remains mandatory even when you live and work outside the United States. Understanding your tax obligations starts with 3 concepts: global income reporting, special tax benefits, and consistent filing rules. U.S. citizens must report all income worldwide, may qualify for exclusions or credits, and follow essentially the same filing standards whether in the U.S. or overseas. Worldwide income reporting means every U.S. citizen abroad must disclose all income from global sources. At the same time, tools such as the Foreign Earned Income Exclusion and foreign tax credits can reduce your U.S. liability. Remember, you must file a return to access these benefits. Next, we turn to reporting requirements and filing procedures. This section explains how to handle foreign accounts, virtual currency, deadlines, and submission options so that your U.S. return is accurate, timely, and aligned with IRS expectations for taxpayers living overseas. Foreign financial accounts carry specific obligations. U.S. taxpayers must disclose qualifying foreign accounts to the Treasury. The FBAR, or Report of Foreign Bank and Financial Accounts, is required even when accounts generate no taxable income and must be filed electronically by the annual deadline. Virtual currency transactions are taxable under U.S. law and are treated similarly to property. All activity, including gains and losses, must be reported to the IRS regardless of where you live. Failure to disclose can trigger penalties, so expats should track digital asset activity carefully. Filing deadlines and extensions are especially important for expats. U.S. citizens abroad receive an automatic 2-month extension to June 15th. Additional time to October 15th is available with Form 4868. Note that interest on unpaid tax begins after April 15th, even when extensions apply. Where you mail your return depends on whether a payment is enclosed. Returns without payment typically go to the IRS Center in Austin, Texas. Returns with checks or money orders are sent to Charlotte, North Carolina. Using the correct address helps ensure timely processing and avoids delays. Electronic filing offers several advantages for U.S. taxpayers abroad. Eligible filers may use IRS Free File at no cost. Commercial software and IRS-authorized providers support foreign addresses. E-filing speeds up processing, reduces paperwork, and often results in faster refunds. Our final section covers identification and security measures. We will review taxpayer identification numbers, how to obtain an SSN or ITIN from overseas, and how identity protection PINs help safeguard your account when filing U.S. tax returns from outside the country. Every filer and dependent must have a valid SSN or ITN. U.S. citizens usually apply for an SSN through Social Security offices or international operations. Those not eligible for an SSN can request an ITN using Form W-7 with supporting documents. Proper identification is essential for accurate filing. Identity protection PINs add a layer of security to your tax account. Enter the IP PIN accurately on your return to avoid rejections. Share it only with your trusted tax professional. The IRS will not request your IP PIN by phone, email, or text. Unsolicited requests should be treated as scams. To conclude, US expats must report worldwide income and disclose foreign accounts annually. Take advantage of extensions and special tax benefits by filing on time. Use correct SSNs or ITINs and protect your IP PIN. Following these guidelines will help you stay compliant and minimize tax risk abroad.